Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. In today's video, I'll be making Italian sliders. So I'm using a 12 pack of Hawaiian rolls. Oh my god y'all, these rolls are so soft and they are so good. Okay, so now I'm just going to be adding some provolone cheese. After the cheese, I'm going to be adding some pepperoni. So after the pepperoni, I'm going to add some ham. Now I'm going to be adding the salami, and then I'm going to add some spicy 3 cheese. Okay, so I'm going to be making a sauce. So I'm using some melted butter, some garlic, and oregano. I'm just going to mix that up and put it on top. If you're enjoying the video so far, make sure you hit the like button. Okay, so after this, I'm just going to put it in the oven for a few minutes, and then I'll show you how it looks when it's done.